What's going on, guys? It's Chris with journaltranscript.com, and as always, this is not financial advice, nor my financial advisor. Be sure to do your own research before investing. But with that said, guys, let's get right into this video. Once again, I'll be going over two companies in particular. The first one being Square. Their ticker symbol is just SQ, and as you guys can see, they are having a green day despite the overall market red day. You can see they're going to be up about 1.10%, or $2.90 now, up to a total of $264.55. If we take a look at the weekly chart, you can see they've had a phenomenal bounce back week, guys, up $34, or about 14.76%. On the month now, they are going to be up about 10%. And then here on the 3-month chart, they're going to be up 15.75%. If we go ahead and break them down here on Thinkorswim on the 180-day 4-hour time frame, you can see the previous high up here is $283.19. They did have a double top. Let me go ahead and mark in right there. You can see they tested that level again, got rejected off of that, and had a huge sell-off alongside the majority of the market, all the way back down to 221 from 283. So a huge move there. They bounced back again to 257, dipped even lower at the bottom of this wick down to 192, bounced all the way back to 252, back down to 204, and found some pretty strong support down there. And then as you can see, as of late, they have bounced off of that and had a nice clean upwards movement alongside all of these EMAs, just testing this 13-day EMA multiple times over the course of this rally. You can see as of now, though, they are pretty overbought. The RSI is at 71.93. The MACD looks like it's going to be headed downwards as well. So for the short term, I am pretty bearish on Square, guys. Obviously, long term, I think they're a phenomenal company that is worth well over $300 per share. But for the short term, they do need a short-term pullback to kind of cool off and retrace back down to these EMAs. You can also see here on the yearly time frame, guys, pretty much the same thing. Very disconnected. The closest EMA is back here at $245. The RSI isn't quite overbought on this time frame, but I still do think they will have a 5 to 10 to maybe even a $15 move all the way back down to about $250. I would say $245, $250 before their next leg higher. And they do have some pretty heavy overhead resistance at the previous all-time high at $283.19. So keep that in mind as well, guys. If they are getting near that level, really look for a big move in either direction. They're going to break it and create a new all-time high, or they're going to have once again another rejection, another double top, and head even lower. Another company I wanted to go over, guys, that is somewhat related to Square, another fintech company, is Exxe Group. I'm just going to call them X Group. Once again, another under-the-radar penny stock in the fintech industry. You can see their most recent news does come from March 30th of 2021. They did acquire a digital media platform, and they have acquired a controlling interest in digital media platform Market Media Connect, MMC, expanding their AI-enabled tech asset base. So obviously this is great news. This stock right now is 5 cents, so it's pretty crazy to think that they have all these good acquisitions. They've had a ton of good news, and they're still trading at just 5 cents a share. You can also see here on Thinkorswim on the 1-year, 1-day time frame, very similar to my last video. They did spike all the way up to 17 cents, 17.9 up here at the peak, before pulling back and retracing down to these EMAs, a healthy move that they did need to have. They retraced back down to this 50 EMA at 6 cents. It did hold it for some time, but as of late, they are breaking below it and do look to be a little bit bearish. In my opinion, guys, the absolute bottom for them is down here at this 200 EMA, this orange line at about 3.76 cents. I honestly don't really see them going that low. I do see them bouncing off this level right here. You can see they had support there. They had support there as well. I do expect them to find support once again at about 4.45 cents right there. You can see the RSI is pretty oversold as well, headed back down that way. And personally, guys, I do think now is a good time to start a position. You can definitely scale in right now and then enter in more heavily down here at the support, or if things get really bad, down here at this 200 EMA. Other than that, guys, that is about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in the next one.